Hi guys, I am going to show you how to access your 3D downloads via the MVR website. Now you can access this directly by going through our website, martiansversusroughnecks.com, or through the download link in the announcement in the Discord. Please be very careful and only use the official website or the link in the announcements in the Discord, please. So we're going to go and click 3D downloads, connect our wallet, sign. And I have two in this wallet, so we're going to go ahead and click, and download. Now it's going to ask you to save them. I'm just going to save them to my desktop. And then that's it. You will have your Martians downloaded. Super easy. Anybody has any issues, just open up a ticket in the Discord, but it should be easy peasy for you guys.